If you have been tapping around the Clash Royale settings menu looking for a redeem code button, stop. You won't find it. In 2026, Supercell completely removed the code redemption feature from inside the app itself to avoid paying fees to Apple and Google. But the codes still exist, and they give you free emotes, tower skins, and gold. You just have to know the secret website to use them. Today, I'm going to walk you through the Supercell store method to unlock these rewards in under 60 seconds. Step 1. The Supercell ID check, a crucial step. Before you do anything, open Clash Royale. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner and check the button that says Supercell ID. If it is gray or disconnected, you must log in or create an account. The web store needs this ID to send the items to your phone. If you aren't connected, the codes will literally go nowhere. Step 2. The secret store. Close the game and open your browser, Chrome or Safari. Go to store.supercell.com. This is the official portal. Warning, do not Google free Clash gems. You will end up on scam sites. Only use the official Supercell domain. Once you are there, tap the Clash Royale icon and log in with that same Supercell ID. Step 3. Finding the redeem box. On the Clash Royale store page, ignore the bundles they're trying to sell you. Scroll all the way down. Keep going past the Diamond Pass offers. At the very bottom, you'll see a section titled Redeem a Voucher or Creator Code. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Enter your secret code. Type in your secret code here. For example, recently there was the Trusty Turret code for a free emote. Type it in, hit Submit, and you will see a confirmation message. Gift claimed. Now, open the game back up. You will see a pop-up animation, and the item will be in your inventory instantly. Where to find codes? Real talk, codes like these expire fast. The best way to find them is to follow the official Clash Royale Twitter, or X account, or check the News tab inside the game for QR codes during special events like the World Finals. If this helped you find the missing menu, drop a like on the video. Now, go claim your loot.